Sorry about that. I fucking ran out of memory. Had to delete some shit. But yeah, right here, just 146, pretty dope. Really like the artwork too. Corpse cannon, can't go wrong with that. Let's see. Got some little cakes and some little things. Let's see. Got some. Start with the smallest one. Panic attack. This dude looks all tripped out. Just got down. That was like $3. Fan Blastic. I'm a fan of fans. Fan cakes. I think they're pretty dope. You know, you gotta have some fucking some crackers, man. You know, these are the 50 packs. You know, or 50 in a pack. There's 40 packs of them. So yeah, that was cool. Let's see. Don't really have much more. We got some. We got a noisy little cake. It's pretty dope. Abomination. Real dope too. Or at least the artwork looks dope. I don't really know how it is yet. We'll find out soon enough though. Let's see. This is like, I think, the only fountain I really have. Like a true fountain. Krakatoa. Brothers though, you know, you can't really go wrong. It's got, I'm hoping it's good. Yeah, I went to Red Apple. I really wanted some rockets, and they didn't have a big selection. All I walked out really was the Galactic Intruders. I mean, they're you know, they're kind of big, but you know, they're probably gonna be pretty weak. But fuck it, whatever. Then you know, this was all pretty much Red Apple stuff, and this is pretty much stuff that is not Red Apple. Got a 25 shot salute. Pretty dope with the foil. Got a little squad leader. These are dope. Wish I got another one. And love these, man. My first year having these Ghost Warrior rockets. Bought 2 packs. As you can tell, I lit 3 already. Couldn't help myself. Can't wait to light all these up, man. Oh. And last but not least, the stuff I'm most happy about. Got some DK shells. These are called Dark Knight shells. There's some straight salutes. Got them from a connect of mine. Real dope. Got 5 left, lit 1. Pretty loud. It's my first year really experimenting with these salute canisters. And probably my holy grail is probably these orange cans. Fuck yeah, I know people don't like seeing the brand, but I don't give a fuck. And still not easy to find by no means, but super proud to have these, man. Well, to be honest, that's about it, man. That's all I got. But you know, I hope everyone have a good 4th. And yeah, man, stay safe.